Hello everyone, this is Srimano and welcome to Genius Math Minds. In this video, we have another question for let's solve. So this is a rational kind of question. So now let's solve this. So the question is reduce this rational form into its lowest form. That usually means when we see this kind of equation, we would try to take the conjugate of this. But here the conjugate does not work here because there is a square root inside the square root. So what we will do is, whenever we have a square root like this, let's say a plus square root of b, we will try to get this into a form like a plus b the whole square. In the term inside this we will get in this form, so that we can just cancel the square and the square root. So that's what we will try here. Because even if we take conjugates, the lower term or the denominator term will get reduced, but the numerator term still have this equation, still have this expression. So that's what we have here. So we have 16 plus 6 root 7. So as I said, we have to take this in this form. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the form we have here. So since this is the term which contains root, we will equate that to this. So 6 root 7 equals 2ab, and the remaining term a square plus b square equals 16. So is there a number that equates this equation? So 3 root 7 equals 2ab. Here, since a and b can be interchanged, so we can take, or we cancel this and this, we have 3. So 3 root 7 equals ab. We can just say a equals 3 and b equals root 7. So if this terms satisfies this equation, then we have got the a plus b the whole square term. So let's substitute this in here. So we have 3 square plus root 7 the whole square. We don't know if this equates. So we have 9 plus 7 equals 16. So this actually works. So we can write this as square root of root 9 plus root 7 the whole square. This will equal this. So now we can cancel these. So that's for the plus term. But we also have this. So again, doing the same thing, we have root 16 minus 6 root 7. Again we will take the same method, but here we have minus in between, so we will take a minus b the whole square. So a minus b the whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again equating this with this. Here we have minus, here we have minus, so we will just get the same term. So again a equals 3, b equals root 7. Here we can either take a as 3, b as root 7, or a as root 7 or b as 3. Both can be interchanged because it is inside the square term. So that's what we do. So we get this, we equate this as square root of root 9 minus root 7 the whole square. So this is how we have done, we have reduced the square root terms. So now we will substitute this here. So 7 by square root of, instead of this we are going to write this. So we actually got the square root of, so we write root 9 plus root 7. So that's what we have here. Minus with the bracket. So this we have equated to, we can cancel this. So root 9 minus root 7. So this is what we have here. Now just simple algebra. So we have 7 by root 9 plus root 7. So distributing this minus root 9 plus root 7. So cancel this. We have 7 by 2 root 7. So the final answer is root 7 by 2. So this is the simplest form for this equation. So we have reduced this as for the question. to this term root 7 by 2, and that's the reduced form for this. Thank you.